Good morning, students. Today we are going to talk about some great freedom fighters of India. Behind the celebration of independence on 15th August 1947, there is a much violent and chaotic history of fierce rebellions. Chaotic history. Chaotic means faithless, unsettled, or disorderly. Fierce meaning in Hindi is Bhayankar. Rebellion meaning is Vidroh. Wars and movements done by thousands of spirited Indian freedom fighters. All these freedom fighters of India fought and struggled and even sacrificed their lives in an effort to free India from British rule. Many of us might have heard of some of them, but there are so many prominent heroes whose contributions have not even celebrated. Without them, we would not be breathing in independent India. Now, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Students, you must have heard this name many times. Vallabhbhai Patel was born in 1875 and earned the title Sardar. After his heroic contribution in Bardoli Satyagraha, due to his brave endeavors, he eventually began to be regarded as the Iron Man of India. Students, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is also known as Iron Man of India. Sardar Patel was originally a lawyer, but he withdrew from law and joined freedom fight to represent India against British rulers. He became the Deputy Prime Minister of India after the independence and dedicated himself to integrate princely states into the Union India. Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the only son of Motilal Nehru and Swarup Rani and was born in 1889. Nehru was originally a barrister and became popular as both freedom fighter of India and a politician. His passion for India's freedom fighter was the influence of Mahatma Gandhi's efforts to relieve India from Britishers. He joined the freedom struggle, became the president of Indian National Congress and was eventually made the first Prime Minister of India post the independence. Since he adored children, he was called Chacha Nehru and his birthday is celebrated as Children's Day. Student, you all celebrate Children's Day now? When it comes? It comes on 14th November. Yes, Chacha Nehru. Right? Now, Mahatma Gandhi ji. You all have heard this name also, right? Mahatma Gandhi ji. You have seen Mahatma Gandhi ji on the notes also. Our currency. On our currency note also you have seen Mahatma Gandhi's picture. Right? Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born in 2nd October 1869 and was entitled Father of Nation. And Mahatma Gandhi became, because of his great deeds, married to Kasturba at 13. He studied law in London and went to South Africa for practice, where racial discrimination towards some Indians inspired him to fight for human rights. Students, when Mahatma Gandhi went to South Africa for practice, what happened there? He seen that racial discrimination were going on with the Indians. So that thing inspired him to fight for human rights. Later, after watching the status of India ruled by Englishmen, Gandhi fiercely joined the freedom fight. He took Dandi, Kutch, on his bare foot to relieve tax on salt and led several non-violence movements against Britishers in efforts for freedom. Now, Lal Bahadur Shastri. Lal Bahadur Shastri was born in 1904 in Uttar Pradesh, UP. He received the title Shastri scholar after he completed his study at Kashi Vidyapith. As a silent yet active freedom fighter, he participated in Quit India movement, civil disobedience movement and salt satyagraha movement led by Mahatma Gandhi ji. He also spent many years in jail. After the independence, he graced the position of Home Minister and later became Prime Minister of India in 1964. Now, Subhash Chandra Bose, famous with the title Netaji. Yes, Subhash Chandra Bose, also known as Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, was born in 1897 in Orissa. The Jallianwala Bagh massacre potentially shook him and made him return to India from England in 1921. He joined Indian National Congress and was a part of civil disobedience movement. Since he wasn't content with non-violence method of freedom as promoted by Gandhiji, he went to Germany for help and eventually formed Indian National Army INA and Azad Hind government. Now I am going to show you some pictures of freedom fighter. Student, identify who is this? Any guesses? Yes, Jawaharlal Nehru. Very good. Now the second freedom fighter. Any guesses? Yes, Lal Bahadur Shastri. Very good. Now I think many of you are very familiar with this face. Yes, Mahatma Gandhi ji. Now another freedom fighter. Any guesses? Yes, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Now, who is he? Any guesses? Yes, Subhash Chandra Bose. Very nice. Students, there are many freedom fighters, but we have taken few of them. I hope you have enjoyed this video and gained some information about soldiers of our India. We can call them freedom fighter also. Have a nice day.